with the weather getting colder again in Central Virginia, a lot of people will be turning on their space heaters trying to keep their families warm.
Yeah, but recent fires in our area and across the nation have fire officials urging people to use the heater safely and responsibly. Caroline Coburn joins us now with more on how you can protect your home and your family. Caroline.
Well, Robin Reba, I'm here with Henrico Battalion Chief Doug Reynolds, and we were telling you about space heaters and some of the dangers they can pose if you don't use them responsibly. And we have a thermal imaging camera here. It's called TIC, as Doug just told me. And I'm going to show you just how hot this is. So this one kerosene heater can get up to over 500 degrees. The other one's not quite as hot. The one on the right is about 490 right now. But just the dangers that these pose and keeping things away from them, how important is that?
I think it gives you a real idea on just how hot they get. You know, I think a lot of people kind of think of the space heater, you know, this one's not too hot, but 500 degrees, if you have that too close to something, it's going to catch it on fire. It may not be just like that, but, you know, within a few hours or a day, you know, you can really have some big issues. Make sure you get your yardstick, and, you know, that's 36 inches, and that's a pretty good rule of thumb, keeping it away from anything that could catch on fire. You know, a bed, a couch, toys. Never put these like in a hallway, because that's going to be your exit way. If this catches on fire, now you're trapped in your house. So extremely careful at all times. And as we can see, if a kid comes over here and puts their hand on this, they're going to get burnt. So, you know.
Keeping them off at night is also important.
You know, we recommend that you turn these off at night. The big thing with these electric space heaters, never use an extension cord. You want to plug them directly into the wall. And like I say, don't go to bed with them on. And, you know, they have a lot of potential to be dangerous.
And really quickly here, in case people lose power because of another winter storm, just right here really quickly break down what we have and what you should have in your house.
You know, we know that you're going to need to see, so your best way is going to be to use a flashlight. If you're going to use a candle, 12 inches of safety around, there's nothing flammable. The old hurricane style lamps, maybe a little bit safer. Always got to make sure that you have your working smoke detector, and if you're going to use generators, you're going to use that kerosene heater, make sure you have a carbon monoxide detector.
Awesome. So some great tips there from Doug. And coming up at